Hi, it's Amna from Contentpen, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a SEO optimized blog in just a few minutes using Contentpen. So let's get started. So just go on Contentpen's dashboard and then click on Create Article, Generate Article with AI, and then all you have to do is add your primary keyword. For the topic, you can add it manually or you can ask AI to do that for you. For the secondary keywords, again, you can add them manually or you can ask AI to generate them. This is just going to take a few minutes. Next, you can change and define your tone of voice, target audience, and point of view. As Contentpen already knows your brand, it has already filled the sections. You can edit them, or if you seem it fit, you can continue. To customize the appearance of your content, you can bold, italic, add tables, quotes, and lists. As for the heading letter case, you can use title case or sentence case. Next, you can choose the formatting options. For that, you have the article size, you have different variations. You can choose as per your requirement. You can also add custom instructions for introduction if you want. For extra sections, you have key takeaways, conclusion, FAQs. You can pick whatever you want. For media, you can add in-article images as well as featured images and select the image style as per your requirement and as per your want. Next, to add sitemaps, you can add them here. Add your filter pattern and exclude patterns. And then just click on Save Sitemap. It will take a little time for it to be processed. Next, for external linking, you can turn off this toggle if you do not want to add external links. And if you do, you can add domains to include and exclude. But if you don't want to do that, just click on Next. If you want to save all of these settings as a preset, you can just click this and then add a preset name. This is really helpful when you don't want to manually adjust the setting for a client or for a specific kind of content. And then just click on Create, and Contentpen will start your article generation process. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. You can close this tab and it will notify you via email or in the app notification. And there you have it, your article has been generated. If you do not like a section or wish to regenerate it, just select that section and then ask AI to regenerate it, continue writing, improve, rephrase, make it longer, and a bunch of others prompts that you can give. Let's ask AI to improve that. Now you can replace the section or add after the section. Let's replace this. On the right hand side, you have different tabs. First is Ask AI. Your AI assistant, you can ask it any questions, including the article context or without it. Next, you have the table of content, which includes every heading and subheading. And then you have comments. You can add comments to any line or paragraph that you want, or you can add comments here to the article. Next, you have article metadata. From SEO title and description, your slug and SERP preview, featured images, internal and external linking, and article information, you have it all here. Lastly, if you wish to collaborate with your team members, just click on Collaborate and you can assign for editing and select the team member, or you can request review and select the team member and assign them. Or if your WordPress integration has been completed, you can simply click on the Publish button and it will be published on your WordPress. That's all. It's that simple. So try Contentpen today and generate your very own SEO optimized blogs.